Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to repair the problem of no service in iPhone 7, and we have already opened the phone, so let's start the service on the board. First, run cosmetic inspection on the board. The logic board is not deformed or water damaged. Next, let's assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and display assembly installed. Connect the battery and insert the SIM card. Hold the power button to turn on the phone. The phone turns on normally. The phone shows no service error in the upper left corner. Go to Settings, General, About Phone. Baseband info of the phone display normally. Open the dialer and check IMEI number. As you can see, IMEI number is okay. We can confirm that the baseband circuit is in normal condition and the fault is related to the radio frequency circuit. As a common issue of iPhone repair, iPhone 7 no service is usually caused by malfunction of XCVR1_RF. Take apart the phone and remove the display assembly. Take out the logic board. Connect the battery connector with the power supplier. Insert the SIM card. Connect the power supply connector and press power button. The supply will detect the current, and you can see the current reading on the meter is normal. Continue to measure the power supply voltage of XCVR1_RF. The measured value is normal. Judging by this, the power supply voltage of XCVR1 is normal. So the fault might be related to XCVR1. Let's replace the XCVR1_RF with a new one and see how it works. Start hitting the board until the balls under the IC is melted, and detach the IC from the board. Now apply some paste flux to the bonding pad and clean the bonding pad with the rosin soaked solder wick. Now clean the PCB cleaner afterwards. Let's apply some paste flux to the bonding pad again and try hitting the surface. Get a new IC in position. Heat the IC until the balls under the IC is melted, and give a little jerk to confirm the IC is done. Once it's done, clean the IC. Let's assemble the phone. Connect the battery connector and insert SIM card. power on the phone. Let's see whether it's done or not. I hope it's working. As you can see on the upper left corner, the signal are back to normal now. Now we can test a call, and as you can see, fault cleared. iPhone 7 no service issue is fixed perfectly. So if you have any comment suggestion, you can ask me in comment box. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.